Morning, my dear children. How have you been? Yes, very good. Today's value: respect your elders. You have to respect your elders. Today's value: respect your elders. Today I am going to teach a story. So you have to take semester 2 book. First lesson: Priya's story time. Today I am going to teach a story. The name of the story is Priya's story time. Repeat after me, children. Priya's story time. So first we will see the characters. So these are the characters in this story. First one is Priya, the little girl, her grandmother. So these are the two main characters in the story. One is Priya and the other one is her grandmother. So in the story, there is a little story. In that story, these are the four characters. One is giraffe, another one is crocodile, and the monkey is finally rabbit. So these are the four characters in that small story. Giraffe, crocodile, monkey, rabbit. Priya's grandmother every day told a story to Priya. So in this story, we are going to learn about what story did her grandmother told to Priya at night. So Priya's story time. This is the name of the lesson. Priya's story time. So Priya and her grandmother is the main characters in the story. Giraffe, crocodile, monkey, rabbit. These four characters are in this small story. First, we will discuss the outwards of this lesson. Wandering. Wandering means to move around or in search of. So, wandering means to move around. Chorus. Say the same thing at the same time together. So, chorus means saying something together at the same time. Upset. Upset means feeling sad. Gently. Gently means slowly or carefully. Ashamed. Feeling shameful. Ashamed means feeling shameful. Rude. Not respecting others. Rude. Not respecting others. So these are the odd words in the story. Priya's story time. Wandering. To move around. Chorus. Say the same thing at the same time together. Upset. Feeling sad. Gently. Slowly or carefully. Ashamed. Feeling shameful. Rude. Not respecting others. So these are the odd words. Let us see the story. So the name of the story is Priya's story time. Let us see the story. This is Priya. She is 6 years old. Look at the picture. This is Priya. She is 6 years old. She is full of fun and laughter. Priya likes her grandmother a lot. Look at the picture. This is Priya. This is her grandmother. Priya likes her grandmother a lot. Her grandmother tells her a story every night before going to sleep. So Priya's grandmother every day tells her story before going to sleep. One night, her grandmother told her a story about a lonely giraffe. One day, her grandmother told her a story about a lonely giraffe. A tall giraffe lived in a forest. Look at the picture. A tall giraffe lived in a forest. One day, he was wandering. Here, wandering means in search of or to move around. One day, this giraffe wandering in a forest in search of friend. So this giraffe moved around the forest in search of friend. He saw a crocodile by the riverside. This giraffe saw a crocodile by the riverside. Look at the picture. This is giraffe. This is crocodile. So this giraffe was wandering in the forest in search of friend. He saw a crocodile by the riverside. Look at the picture. So this giraffe asked, "Will be my friend?" to the crocodile. Crocodile answered, "You are too tall. You can't crawl on the ground like me." So this crocodile answered, "You are too tall, giraffe. You can't crawl on the ground like me." Next, the giraffe met a rabbit. After crocodile, the giraffe met a rabbit. He asked him to be his friend. After crocodile, this giraffe met a rabbit. The giraffe asked the rabbit to be his friend. But the rabbit said, "You are too tall. Play in my burrow." So this rabbit said, "You are too tall, giraffe, to play in my burrow." This rabbit's burrow was small burrow. So this tall giraffe can't able to play in that place. The giraffe came across a few monkeys on trees. He asked him to be his friend. After rabbit, the giraffe met some monkeys on tree. The giraffe asked the monkeys to be his friend. All the monkeys sat in a chorus. Here chorus means saying something same at the time together. So all the monkeys said in a chorus, "You are too tall. You can't climb trees and swing along with us." So you can't climb tree, giraffe. You are too tall. So you can't be friend with us. The giraffe was very upset. Here upset means feeling sad. Giraffe was very upset and decided to walk back home. This giraffe decided to walk back to his home. Suddenly there was a loud cry. "Help! Help!" The giraffe rushed back to see what had happened. So this giraffe heard a loud cry, "Help! Help!" The giraffe rushed back to see what had happened. A baby monkey was caught among the branches. So the little baby monkey caught among the branches of the tree. The other monkeys around tried to help but were not able to do so. So the other monkeys can't able to help the little monkey. They too cried for help. The crocodile who was near the pond tried to help, but as he could not climb the tree, he failed. So the crocodile is living near the pond. The crocodile also can't able to help the little monkey. He can't climb the tree. So the crocodile failed. The rabbit tried to hop as high as she could. The rabbit also tried to help the little monkey, but she can't able to help because she can't hop as high as she could. She could not jump as high as needed. She failed too. After crocodile, the rabbit also failed. The tall giraffe went up to the tall tree and lifted his long neck towards the branches. He gently pushed out of the baby monkey and rested her on his back and rode her around the forest. So after rabbit, the tall giraffe came and helped the little monkey. So this giraffe gently means softly and carefully, pulled out the baby monkey from the branches of the tree, and he kept the monkey on the ground carefully. Look at the image, children. The baby monkey was so happy. She hugged the giraffe and said, "Thank you, my dear giraffe uncle. You are the best and tallest." This little monkey said thank you to the giraffe. So tell me, children, when someone helped us, what we have to do? We have to say thank you. So this little monkey also say thank you to the dear giraffe uncle. You are the best and the tallest. So look at the image. The crocodile, the rabbit and the monkeys were ashamed. Here ashamed means feeling shameful for doing or saying something, for being rude to the kind giraffe. So this crocodile, rabbit and the monkeys were ashamed for being rude to the kind giraffe. They all went to the giraffe and said, "We are ashamed and we are sorry." So when we do something wrong, what we have to do? We have to say sorry. So here the crocodile, the rabbit and the monkeys say sorry to the kind giraffe. The giraffe smiled back and shook. Here shook is the past tense of the shake hands with all of them. After saying sorry, the tall giraffe smiled back to the crocodile, rabbit and the monkeys. Then the tall giraffe shook. Here shook is the past tense of shake. This giraffe shake hands with all of the animals. From that day onwards, there was only happiness among the animals in the forest. Grandmother completed the story and looked at Priya. Priya had fallen asleep listening to the story about the giraffe. She slept that night with a smile on her face because she was happy that the giraffe found friends at least. So after listening the story, Priya slept at the night with a smiling face because she was so happy that the giraffe got lots of friends at least.
Priya's grandmother loved telling stories. One night, she told Priya a story about a lonely giraffe. A tall giraffe was wandering in a forest in search of friends. He saw a crocodile by the river. The giraffe asked the crocodile, "Will you be my friend?" The crocodile replied, "You are too tall. You cannot crawl on the ground like me." The giraffe met a rabbit and asked him to be his friend. The rabbit replied to the giraffe, "You are too tall to play in my burrow." The giraffe asked the monkeys to be his friends. The monkeys replied, "You are too tall. You cannot climb trees and swing along with us." The giraffe was very upset and decided to walk away. A baby monkey was caught among the branches of the tree. The other monkeys tried to help, but were not able to do so. They cried for help. The crocodile failed to help because he could not climb the tree. The rabbit also failed to help because she could not hop as high as needed. The tall giraffe pulled out the baby monkey and rested her on his back and rode her around the forest. The animals were ashamed for being rude to the kind giraffe. They said sorry to the giraffe. The giraffe smiled back and shook hands with all of them.
Children, now let us see some interesting facts about giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest land animal. A newborn giraffe is 6 feet tall. An adult giraffe can be 16 feet tall. A giraffe's tongue is dark blue and maybe up to 20 inches long. How long is your tongue?
Have you understood the story, children? Very good. Now it's time for your home assignment. Write down the keywords, synonyms, antonyms and past tense in your classwork notebook. So have to complete keywords, synonyms, antonyms and past tense in your English classwork notebook. We will meet